Sadhu Darshanam, Papa Vimochanam. The three instruments, body, mind and intellect, and their functionary system is perfectly arranged, organized in a regulated method. This regulation, if disturbed, distorted, disintegrated or destroyed, the individual jiva gets collapsed. Then you say, you have lost your balance. The life balance, the light of consciousness, the light of an individual is functioning through body, mind and intellect by perceiving, feeling and thinking for objects, emotions and thoughts. Once more I repeat, these 9 faculties, body, mind, intellect, perceiver, feeler, thinker, objects, emotions and thoughts. If these 9 entities are cleared in our intellect, we become fit for Vedanta studies. This regulated functionary performance is created, executed and converted by the Holy Paramatma called Brahman. Brahman is called absolute consciousness. In Vedanta, Brahman, Pranava, Pranaha, Annam, all these words, Adityan, indicates Parabrahma only. Totality of the whole universe, life force, is called Paramatma. Individual life force is called Jivatma. Jivatma is called Veshti Atma, Kevala Atma. Paramatma is called Samashti Atma, totality. Jiva Shivo Parashiva in Tantra Shastra, Jivatma Paramatma in Vedanta Shastra. So, considering this faculty, every individual is potentially divine. Whether he is rich or poor, educated or uneducated, black or white, Ajnani or Vijnani, maybe a scientist, maybe a local farmer, all the individuals angels are potentially divine. Let us see in deeper method in the next class. Sadhu darshanam, papa vimojanam.